Nice.
Hello, today is my first weekend at work. I don't have anything planned. I've already delivered all my load. Just waiting here for the weekend because I have a load on Monday, actually going through here at Plainfield, Indiana, and it goes down all the way to Olive Branch. It's a good little mile, it's about 400 miles. But today I drove about 1, 2, 3, 4, probably around 400 miles. It was a good drive because it's supposed to be only 400, but I added another 100 because I went down and pumunta ako sa isang daan, pumunta lang ako dun sa pickup. Pero kasi mas malapit sa pickup, hindi tayo magta-travel pa kasi para dito lang tayo mag 34 hour reset, maghihintay gano'n. Tapos naman ngayon let's talk about the eating wise. Ang gagawin natin ay hindi tayo kakain ng madami. Ang gusto lang gagawin, kakain tayo ng mga vegetables and fruits, oranges, mainly to knock out all the sugars. Also, we're gonna get sugars that are less than sugars. Tapos mga vegetables, that's good. Siguro lots of broccoli para sa isang linggo. Ang gagawin natin, magluto tayo ng magpe-prep tayo ng ulam, tsaka ng brown rice, at saka maybe tenderloin na meat. Kasi we want to stay healthy, we want to knock down all the cholesterol in our body. That's the most important thing, cholesterol, at saka yung ating liver. Dapat kuha tayo ng mga almond milk, gano'n. Pero mas mahalaga yung kasi napapakiramdam ko like like in 1 week, sa isang linggo nagbebenta ako, tapos magkano kaya ang spending. So I'm spending maybe a lot of money, so mamalengke tayo ngayon para mag-spend tayo ng we spend maybe $40 the most, and that will last me the whole week, di ba? Yung ginagawa natin, yung ginagawa ko pagka if I go OTR, it's always good to spend a little less. It's not like I'm going, I take home time a lot. I don't take that much home time. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep shopping. Tingnan natin kung yung papakita ko sa iyo lahat ng mga pinili ko para hindi tayo gastos lang ng mga fast food. Sige. So ang gusto kong mangyari, bibili ako ng mga pagkain, pero ang gusto kong mga price ng pagkain siguro mga only $30. Tapos wag kang bibili ng maraming, just $30. Pero kasi minsan di ba, wag tayong bibili ng marami because minsan tinatapon ko lahat ng mga gamit ko. Ba't ko tatapon kung meron akong bumili? Tapos, mamaya pagpunta sa truck, papakita ko yung mga binibili ko sa Walmart. Sige, kailan na. Nagbayad muna tayo. Magandang umaga. Makahapon, sabi ko sa'yo, bibili ako ng mga gamit para sa trip natin. So that came out to $70. That was $30. Yes, my application is incorrect. But you know, it's $70, so I'm getting paid, $1,000 and $400. So $71 is nothing. It's just the food for the whole week. By this, I'm cutting down cholesterol and all that greasy stuff that's going through my body. So that's good for me because I don't eat much fast food, and if I do, it'd be once in a while with people like a family member or something. So, mostly fruits and vegetables like we talked about yesterday while I was recording at Walmart. I guess this is a good step to lower down my cholesterol, and also my liver. I guess triglycerides. It's a liver. It's the energy you build from the liver. I'm thinking I should maybe cut down on energy drinks because before I graduated, siguro araw-araw lagi akong bumili ng energy drink. Siguro doon ang nangyayari doon. So every day I'm gonna cut down on drinking. Instead, to rehabilitate my liver, I have to drink coffee. I drink coffee. I drink a lot of almond milk and oatmeal milk. Those are very good and very healthy for your body. It develops and better your liver, and they like to consume that. Like for instance, so your broccoli helps you with cancer. It prevents it from building cancer. So when that happens, you consume a lot, it'll stop all that germs from building into your body and then becoming cancerous. Because in time in life, when you keep doing the things that you're doing and you know it's illegal, but you don't know about it, siguro kakain ka, mali-develop mo yun, pero mga vegetables and fruits, those just basically, deletes it and cleans out your body so you don't have to do it again. But today I'm just taking a day off before the load on Monday. It's a long day. So maya siguro, I'm just gonna watch a little television and I'll check back to you guys later about my thoughts about health and OTR trucking.